Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm gonna show you how you can switch accounts on Amazon. It's really easy, so let's hop right into it. So once you're on your Amazon homepage like this, and you're logged in on your initial account, what you're gonna wanna do is go on the top right of your screen like this, over your current account, and under your account, uh, right at the bottom you have the sign out options. You are gonna wanna press sign out, and once you've done that, it's gonna send you to the sign in page. Once you're here, you're gonna wanna enter your email or mobile phone number. uh, then press continue in order to um, insert your password. And once you've done that, you're logged into your secondary Amazon account and you've switched accounts. I hope this helps you guys. It's really simple. Cheers.